Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Today we are taking some problems on homogeneous differential equation. So first problem is d2y by dx square plus 2 dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So how we solve such type of homogeneous differential equation? We know that its solution is only y is equal to CF because pi is always 0 here. So first, for solving such type of differential equation, we have to use differential operator capital D, and capital D is, we know that capital D is d by dx. So using capital D is equal to d by dx, we can write this differential equation as a d square y plus 2dy plus y equal to 0. So from this we can take y common, then we will get d square plus 2d plus 1 into y equal to 0, that is phi of d into y equal to 0. Okay, now for solution we have to take auxiliary equation. So auxiliary equation is equal to here phi of d, means equate phi of d with 0, that is d square plus 2d plus 1 equal to 0. Now how we find roots of this auxiliary equation? Means for CF, for complementary function, we have to find roots of auxiliary equation. Okay, so tell me two numbers whose sum is 2 and product is 1, that numbers are 1 1. So we can write roots of this equation is d plus 1 into d plus 1 equal to 0, or this is the perfect square of d plus 1. Okay, so d is equal to minus 1 minus 1. You can solve this, means we can find roots of auxiliary equation using calculator also. So we get two roots here, minus 1 minus 1. Now tell me minus 1 and minus 1, this is minus 1 is real number or imaginary? This is real number. Okay, suppose if you take first root is m1 and second root is m2, so m1 is equal to m2 here. So which case roots are real and repeated, means m1 equal to m2. So therefore complementary function is equal to c1 e raised to m1x plus c2 e raised to, no, m1 is equal to m2a. So complementary function is c1 plus c2x into e to the power m1x, that is second case. So what is m1 m2 here? Minus 1. If you put here, then this becomes c1 plus c2x into e to the power minus x. Value of m1 is minus 1. So this is the CF, and therefore solution of given differential equation is y is equal to c1 plus c2x into e to the power minus x. So next problem is solve d2y by dx square plus 9y equal to 0. So how we solve this? Using capital D is equal to d by dx. First we have to write this differential equation, that is d square y plus 9y is equal to 0. So if you take y common, then again d square plus 9 into y equal to 0, means this is phi of d into y equal to 0. So what is auxiliary equation? Auxiliary equation is equal to phi of d equal to 0, that is d square plus 9 equal to 0. Now how we find the roots of d square plus 9? D square plus 9 equal to 0 means d square is equal to minus 9. Okay, minus 9 means minus sign. We know that I square is minus 1 and 9 is 3 square, means if we take square root of both sides, then we will get d is equal to plus or minus 3i. So these are the two roots, plus or minus 3i, which are imaginary and non-repeated. Means if you write suppose d is equal to 0 plus minus 3i, how we write CF? Then we know one formula, if roots are imaginary and non-repeated, that is if suppose alpha plus minus I beta are the roots. So how we write CF then? Using that formula e raised to alpha x, means we know this formula CF is equal to e raised to alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Now only find the value of alpha and beta, means compare this 0 plus or minus 3i with alpha plus minus I beta, then we will get alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 3, and put the value of alpha and beta here only, that is e to the power 3x into c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. So this is the CF, and therefore solution of given differential equation is y is equal to CF is solution, that is e to the power 3x into c1 cos 3x plus c2 sin 3x. So next problem is solve d2y by dx square minus 4dy by dx plus 4y equal to 0. So using capital D is equal to d by dx first. Right, given differential equation, that is d square y minus 4 dy plus 4y equal to 0. Take y common, then this is d square minus 4d plus 4 into y equal to 0. So what is auxiliary equation now? Auxiliary equation is equal to d square minus 4d plus 4. Equate this with 0. Now tell me two numbers whose sum is minus 4 and product is 4. That numbers are minus 2, minus 2. So what are the roots of this equation? D minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, and minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4, and therefore D equal to 2. So which are real and repeated, and therefore CF is equal to C1 plus C2x into e to the power m1x. And what is m1? m1 is 2, and from this solution of given differential equation is C1 plus C2x into e to the power 2x. So next problem is d cube y by dx cube minus 4 dy by dx equal to 0. So again same method, using capital D is equal to d by dx. Now you will solve these problems, that is d cube y minus 4 dy equal to 0. Okay, so if you take y common, then d cube minus 4d into y equal to 0. So using this again we can write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is here d cube minus 4d equal to 0. Now how we write roots of this d cube minus 4d equal, this is cubic polynomial, so you can find roots of cubic polynomial using again calculator, or from this we can take d common. And if you take d common from d cube, if you take d common, d square is there, and from minus 4d if you take d common, minus 4 is there. So using this we can write d equal to 0 or d square minus 4 equal to 0. And now how we write the roots of d square minus 4 equal to 0? D square minus 4 we can write d square minus 2 square equal to 0. We know one formula, a square minus b square equal to a minus b into a plus b. So for roots use this formula here. D square minus 2 square equal to 0 can be written as d minus 2 into d plus 2 equal to 0, means d equal to 2 and d equal to minus 2. So we get here three roots. First root is d equal to 0, then 2, and then minus 2. Okay, so these are the three roots, that is m1, m2, m3, which are real and non-repeated, and therefore CF is equal to first C1 e raised to 0x plus C2 e raised to 2x plus C3 e raised to minus 2x, or you can write first C1 e raised to 2x, means you can change the sequence of root, means ऐसा नहीं 0 2 minus 2 ही लेना चाहिए, you can take 2 minus 2 0, or first minus 2 2 0. Okay, so CF is here, e to the power 0 is 1, that is C1 plus C2 e raised to 2x plus C3 e raised to minus 2x, and we know that solution of the given differential equation is y equal to CF. So y equal to, this is the solution. Next problem is d cube y by dx cube plus 3 dy by dx equal to 0. So using capital D is equal to again d by dx. How we write the differential equation? That is d cube y plus 3 dy equal to 0. So this problem is same as the last problem, means we can take d common here, that is then we will get d cube plus 3d into y equal to 0. Okay, so auxiliary equation is equal to d cube plus 3d equal to 0. How we write roots? Again we can take d common here. If we take d common from d cube, take d common, d square plus 3 equal to 0, means either d equal to 0 or d square plus 3 equal to 0. So d square plus 3 equal to 0 means d square equal to minus 3. Minus 3 how we write? That is I square into root 3 square. So if you take square root of both sides, then d is equal to plus or minus root 3i. We know that root of minus 1 is I. So here now how we write CF? First one is d equal to 0, and second two roots are imaginary, that is plus or minus root 3i. Imaginary and non-repeated means root 3i is not equal to minus root 3i. So first write CF for real root, that is for 0, C1 e to the power 0x, and then write for this imaginary root. Now plus or minus root 3i, if we write suppose 0 plus minus root 3i and compare this with alpha plus minus I beta, then we will get alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to root 3. So we know formula if roots are imaginary, e to the power alpha x. Now what is alpha? 0. So e to the power 0x into c1 is already used here, so use next constant c2 cos beta. Beta is root 3x plus c3 sin root 3x. So after simplification we can write y is equal to cf, that is the solution of given differential equation, is equal to c1 e raised to 0 is 1 plus here also e raised to 0 1 plus c2 cos root 3x plus c3 sin root 3x. So in next video we will take some problems on cubic polynomial or 4-degree polynomial using synthetic division. Thank you.